Good morning to all. I am B. Srinivas, lecturer in Commerce, SRNK Government Degree College, Banswada, District Kamareddy, State Telangana. Dear student, in this video lesson, we are going to discuss about an important topic in the human resource management, that is training. You know about training to some extent. Training plays vital role in organization. Whenever organization provides opportunity training to its employees, then it may be chance skills and knowledge of the employee will be increased. Then it affects a lot upon the profitability position and future strengthen the activities of the business. Once again, welcome to all in my video lesson about training. Here, first we discuss about the meaning of training. Training is the act of increasing the knowledge and skill of an employee for doing a particular job. Whenever organization procure human resources in various level in the organization according to the need, not only present, further future purpose also, organization has to provide training facility to the employees to enhance their knowledge and skills to meet the present need of the organization. Here, training improves, changes, mold the employees' knowledge, skills, behavior, aptitude towards the requirement of the job organizations. Whenever organization provides training to the employees according to the changes arises due to the technology or production methods or in administration, it may be chance change the employees towards changes arises in the organization. Employees will be molded towards the organization current needs and goal according to the need and requirement of organization. That's why here training plays an important role in the organization. Training provides lot of benefit not only to the organization but also individual, and it make a better relation between the employees and organization, employees and management. Let us discuss about the benefit of training to various categories, towards various categories. First, we discuss about the benefits of training to organization. Here, first one, it leads to improved profitability and more positive attitudes toward profit orientation. Whenever good training facility provided to the employee in the organization, the skills and knowledge towards a particular job will be improved. Positive attitude toward the organization goal will be improved. That's why training provides an opportunity to the employees to work better. It provides lot of experience to the employees. It will affect the profitability position of the business organization. Whenever employees work good, then it will affect to the profitability position. Then organization will get more profit. organization activities will be strengthened in the future. Next one, it improves the job knowledge and skills at all level of the organization. Different employees are engaged in a different level in the organization. Some may be in administration level, some may be in production level, some may be in selling level, some may be in other service level. Whenever training facility provided according to the need and requirement of the organization, according to the situation, according to the changes due to various factors, then training enhance the skills to meet the present need of the organization in the employees, and knowledge towards the job. Next, improve the morality of the workforce. Here, moral means it is nothing but enthusiasm of employee towards the organization goal. It is a one type of positive attitude to work for achieve organization goal. Whenever training facility provide to the employees in the organization, automatically morally become increases. They will work effectively and actively to reach the organization goal. That's why training facilitate to improve morally in the employees. Next, it helps people identify with the organization goal. Yes, whenever organization provide training facilities according to the organization goal, it make utilize the employees to understand the organization goal and what are the role to achieve the organization goal. That's why organization has to provide facility for training according to the organization goal. They will better understand how to meet the organization goal, how to work for the achieve organization goal. Next, helps create a better corporate image. Whenever training facility provided to the organization, training provides a opportunity to the not only employees but also organization to create good image in the market. The skills and knowledge of the employees who are working in the organization will be enhanced. Then a working condition, strength, activities of the organization also improve. That's why it create good image in the society towards the organization. Next, it improve the relation between a boss and a subordinate. You know that whenever training organize in the organization, boss and and his subordinate meet together at place. They discuss each and everyone. Boss will give some guidelines how to work and what are the precaution will be taken while working and working conditions. It make a better relationship among the subordinate and between subordinate and their boss. They mutual understand, they respect each other, they pass their ideas among the each other and with their boss. aids in organization development. Next benefit, aids in organization development. Yes, training affect the organization to improve their activities, extend the activities. How it possible? Whenever good training provided to employees in the organization, their skills and knowledge will be improved. They will be work effectively, actively to reach the organization goal according to the current situation and to meet the future need. Okay, this whole process will affect an organization development. Next one, it helps prepare guidelines for work. You know that in training program, some proper guidelines will be given to the trainees by trainer. What they have to do, how they do, what are the precaution will be taken while working, and about working condition, working situation, working process, working method. That's why training provides guideline for the work. Training create working condition very good. With the help of training, employees skills towards the work improve. Then next benefit, aids in understanding and carrying out organization policies. Yes, you know that various type of organization provide training facility to their employees to understand the organization policies and organization goals. According to the organization policies, their employees will be trained to meet the organization goals. That's why training facilitates to understand the policy process of the organization. Next, years in development for promotion from within. Yes, you know that training facilitate opportunity to for improve internal skills as well as the external skills of the individual, not only to meet the current but also to meet the future needs of the employee as well as the organization. Whenever the organization want to promote their employees, then training facilitate to the employee to meet the promotion place also, to meet the future need of the organization also. Next one, aids in developing leadership skills, motivation, loyalty, and attitudes. Yes, training facilitate to, you know that various type of organization, especially providing a leadership training facility to their employees. Whenever leadership skills improved, they manage organization activities very effectively. And training will create motivation among the employees, and it will create positive attitudes towards the organization. Okay, this all will affect on the organization development. Next one, aids in increasing productivity and quality of work. Yes, you know that whenever proper training facility organized in the organization to their employees, then working condition will be improved. Skills towards the work will be improved. That's why the employees work very effectively. It will affect on the product and quality of the goods. Whenever employees acquire more skills towards their work, they will produce quality goods. Then credit available to the organization. Then next benefit helps keep cost down in many areas. Yes, it is true. Whenever proper training facility organized to their employees, they will work effectively. They save time and cost while working. They know how to work, how to save the time and working condition, working process, working method. Okay, these are all save not only the time but also cost also. They do not waste the time, they do not waste money also. Whenever they save time, then simultaneously cost of production also decreased. Due to this, the profitability position of the organization will be increased. Next, create a appropriate climate for growth communication. Yes, it is also good benefit to the organization. Whenever organization provide training facility to the organization, it creates good climate within the organization. It create good communication between the organization and its employees. Employees meet together and they discuss the organization goal. They discuss the very working condition and process with their management. That's why Crane here training provides opportunity for grow the organization climate. Next one helps the employee adjust to change the handling conflict and helps to prevent stress and tension. Yes, you know that whenever work burden is high to the employees, whenever proper training is given to the employee, then they feel very comfortable. They has they acquire skill to handle the stress and tension, and they acquire the skill to adjust according to the changes due to the various changes in the organization, and they acquire skill about the handling of conflict arises in the organization, and solve the various problem arising in the organization. Okay, these are the various benefit of training towards the organization. Let us discuss about the benefit to the individual. Okay, these are the employees point of view. Here first one helps the individual in making better decision and effective problem solving. Whenever proper training provided to employees in the organization, it improves the decision making skills among the employees and solving skills among the employees. They feel very better, they feel very comfortable towards the organization. Okay, next aids in encouraging and achieving self development and self confidence. Whenever training development activities conducted, it creates among the employees self development, and it creates lot of encouragement towards the organization goal. Due to this, they will work effectively to reach the organization goal. Next one helps a person handle stress, tension, frustration, and conflict. You know that whenever proper training facility provided to their employees, then they feel very happy, their tension will become reduced, their frustration will become reduced, they know how to handle conflict arising in the organization. Next, provides information for improving leadership skill. You know that so many organization in this area, they provide specially training for their employees to improve leadership skills for strengthening their business activities. Whenever the leadership skills improved in the individual, they manage business activities very well and they control activities very well. Next, provide information for improving. Next one, increase job satisfaction and recognition. Whenever proper training facility provide to the employees in the organization, they understand the job requirement, they understand the job conditions, they understand various problem involving the job. That's why they work well to meet the job need and the satisfaction with their job. And whenever they work better, they will be recognized, especially in the organization. Next, satisfies personal needs of the trainer and training. Whenever proper training facility provided in the organization to the employees, employees satisfy their needs. There are so many, maybe chance doubt arises in the individual about their job, about the working condition, or how to work, what are the precautions will be taken while working, how to meet the organization goal. Okay, this all type of problem will be solved by the trainer. That's why they satisfy, and simultaneously trainer also satisfy because he provide good guidelines to their trainees. Okay, next one, de- uh, training develops a sense of growth in learning. You know that whenever training facility provided to employees, it provide a opportunity for personal growth also. It improve the skills and knowledge towards their work and learning skills also. You know that when you are uh, learning new information, you become more active. That's why here, whenever organization provide training facility to their employees, it provides a growth in personally and it creates a learning skills among the employees. Next one, helps a personal develop speaking and listening skills. You know that whenever training organizing in the organization, that trainee communicate with each other, communicate with a trainer, chance will be given to encourage trainees to improve their speaking and listening skills. They listen every point given by the trainee very carefully and they will speak whenever opportunity provided by the trainer about various doubt. Next one, helps eliminate fear in attempting new task. Whenever organization give a new task to their employees, then training provide training provide good opportunity to the trainees how to meet the new task. Whenever new task is provided to their employees, it is difficult to handle. Whenever proper training provided to the employees, they know how to complete the new task of the organization. These are the various benefits to the individual. Next one, benefits in personal and human relation. Benefits in personal and human relation. You know that training provide good relationship among the employees and a good relationship between the employees and with management and owner. Here improves communication between growth and individuals. Whenever proper training facility organized in the organization, the trainee and the trainer meet together. They discuss the organization goals and working conditions. That's why here training provide opportunity for improve the communication skills among the trainees. Next one, aids in orientation for new employees and those taking a new job through transfer or promotion. Whenever promotion is given to the existing employees in the organization, then training provides a opportunity to understand the various problems involving the new job. It provides orientation to the new employees regarding the new working conditions and organization goals. Next, provides information on equal opportunity and effective action. Whenever proper training provided to their employees in the organization, then all employees provided equal opportunity and chance to work and in participating in to meet the organization goal. That's why all employees will get equal information regarding their job and regarding their organization policies, regarding the organization goals. Next, provides information on their governmental and administration policies. You know that government here various type of organization today provide special training to their employees to understand the government policies and legal information to improve their legal skills regarding the various type of law. Next, improves interpersonal skills. You know that whenever proper training program organized to their employees, the understanding skills, self confidence skills, positive attitudes among the employees will be improved. Next one, improve morally. Just I have told about the morally. Morally nothing but it is the positive enthusiasm towards the organization goal. Whenever proper training provided to the to the employees in the organization, they will work effectively, positively. Attitude will be improved among the employees, and they will work effective to meet the organization goal. Next, build cohesiveness in group. Whenever proper training provided to the employees, then it provide good cooperations, cohesiveness among the group, among the unions. It will affect on the organization development also. Whenever proper and good cooperation build among the employees, they feel very happy, they work effectively. It leads to the organization development. Okay, let's to provide a good climate for learning, growth and coordination. Whenever proper training facilitated provided to the employees in the organization, the climate of the organization will be improved, peace and a very happy feeling among the employees will be increased. Due to this positive climate in the organization, it leads to the organization activities growth and training provide coordination among the employees, between employee and management, between employees and its owner. makes the organization a better place to work and live. Whenever organization provide training opportunity to its employees in the organization, then employees feel very happily. They work actively to meet the organization goal, and they feel very comfortable towards their job, towards the organization goal. Whenever proper training facilities provided to employees according to the need and requirement of the organization, then it provide better chance not only to the employees but also organization to improve the working conditions and working situation very good and live better in the organization. These are the various type of benefit of training towards the organization, towards the individual, towards the improvement of human relation. Okay, this is the most important topic in human resource management. These are the some images regarding the training. Okay, okay, thank you very much to all for listening and watching my video lesson.